On Tuesday, 20 people were injured when lightning struck near Lake Murray in South Carolina. 12 were hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries. Wednesday morning, a Palm Beach Gardens man was struck while closing the door of a van when his vehicle was struck by lightning. That man is reported to be in stable condition. I'm Fox 4 certified meteorologist Katie Walls, and this week is Lightning Awareness Week. There's a simple saying, when thunder roars, go indoors. That's because lightning can strike 15 miles from a parent storm. Around the range, you can start hearing thunder. So if you can hear thunder, then you're close enough to be struck by lightning. 4 people have been struck and killed so far this year in the United States, the most recent right here in Florida. On Friday, a 29-year-old Colorado man on his honeymoon was struck in New Smyrna Beach, reportedly standing in ankle-deep water. He later died from his injuries. In that same area, on the same day, 2 golfers were indirectly struck, but neither required immediate medical attention. Florida is the lightning capital of the country for a reason. Lightning has killed 51 people in the state since 2015. Daily afternoon thunderstorms this time of year produce a deadly risk, and the majority of lightning deaths happen between June and August. On Saturday, 4 women from Kentucky sought shelter under a tiki hut on Marco Island. That tiki hut was struck, knocking all 4 unconscious, but all are okay today. And on Monday afternoon, a man was hospitalized after being struck in Holmes Beach on Anna Maria Island. His group was also reportedly seeking shelter under a cabana on the beach at the time. If you're caught outdoors with a thunderstorm approaching, get to an enclosed building with 4 walls and a roof over your head. Your vehicle is also a safe place to ride out a storm. For more tips on how to stay safe this rainy season, head over to fox4now.com.